Alright guys, I'm about to eat a Carolina Reaper, which is chilling right there. It's supposedly the hottest pepper in the world as of 2016. I got a big glass of milk, bowl of applesauce, and a bagel. Hopefully that should be enough to soothe the pain. What's up guys, Testline back here again, and today I'm going to be eating a Carolina Reaper. It's going to be hard to see over there. But, yeah, this is, like I said, supposedly the hottest pepper of 2016. So, yeah, I got my milk and everything, and I should be ready to eat this. But before I eat it, I'm going to kind of lube up my mouth, because my mouth is dry.
Oh, trust me, it's going to get dry.
Oh my god. This thing's scary. Whole entire thing, get this down. It doesn't even taste good, just hot. The ghost peppers actually tasted a little good.
They tasted like dried barbecue.
Yeah.
And that's what they smelled like too.
I just swallowed it.
How long can you go without using any?
That's a challenge. It's pretty hot. It takes like a little bit to really kick in. I can't. See, I like sweat.
Get some of that applesauce.
The burning in the back of the throat doesn't stop.
Whatever you do, don't throw it back up.
I shouldn't eat that.
Shouldn't have eaten that.
It's hot.
What do you expect it to be?
It's hot. Oh.
You shot it across the table. I don't even see a second of relief through your face.
There's no relief.
There's no.
Hold on. It feels like I just swallowed like fire. Times 37
million.
That's bad.
Dude, take the bread. Take the bread.
I need to treat my throat. Oh my god.
Do you need more?
Probably more milk. Hurry up. I feel like I'm dying.
You probably are dying. Take it. Take it.
Oh my god. This is gonna hurt coming out too.
What happened to you? You'll have to eat a lot of them.
Be sure to click that like button. Dude, you can't get rid of it in the back of your throat.
Here I am thinking the ghost was hot.
It's going down. My whole mouth is like numb, and like I said, it feels like there's legit flames in my mouth.
Making enough of a mess there.
See, a lot of people, like, when you eat a jalapeno or, you know, something like that that's mildly hot, it's hot in your mouth, and it's really just in the mouth, and you can soothe that with bread and milk, but stuff like this, the really hot stuff, Carolina Reapers, ghost pepper, stuff like that, it's not really in the mouth. The mouth, I don't really care about. It's the throat, this whole, like, windpipe thing, whatever you call it. The whole, I don't know, stomach and everything. It is just getting stabbed and injected with snake venom and on fire while getting bombed by ISIS, and it's horrible.
Oh my god.
You know, I look like a animal because...
Nah, you look like you walked out of the trailer park.
But I'm glad to say that I ate the hottest pepper in the world. I'm sure when another one gets discovered, I'll eat that one. If you're wondering where I got these, I'll leave a link exactly to the same ones. I bought them for like $10 on Amazon.
Was it worth it?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to give some of these to my friends for them to do it, but this is...
Don't show them the video first.
That was crazy though.
You're just dead.
Dumb. I started shaking. I felt like I was gonna have a seizure. I was like, it's hot. It's really hot. It's probably not good to drink all this milk. That's why a lot of people throw up, because they drink all the milk and everything. And
Oh, trust me. You'll be throwing up from a different place.
it's pretty calm now. It's pretty dialed down. Yeah, I guess that's it. Alright, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you did enjoy, be sure to hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe. My mouth is still on fire, but leave a comment down below. Say whatever you want. And, yeah, deuces. I'll get back to you guys with another video soon. Peace.